Hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today I will discuss some errors and exceptions in Python. So even if you are an experienced programmer, when you write some big code, you will probably get some errors. So there are many types of errors. The first type of error which I will explain is syntax error. So let's just say we want to write a function which will add two numbers for us. So let's just type it add a comma b, then print a plus b, and here's how we will call it. And when I will try to run this program, here in the output it will run. But let's just say if I just cut this colon, and then if I will try to run this program, it will show me an error, and this error is syntax error. So syntax error is nothing but a grammatical mistake in writing the syntax, or typing an invalid syntax, so that Python will give us an error. So this is what syntax error is. And there is one another type of error, which is logical error. So a logical error is nothing but mistake in programmer's logic. So let's just say we want to add two numbers like this, and we also have, you can say in the screen, we have typed the function for that. But let's just say if I just cut this plus here, and if I just replace it with multiplication, and now if I run the program, our program won't show us an error. But here our output will not be accurate. So finding logical error is difficult because the our interpreter will not show it. uh, but this is somewhat like mistake in our logic, that we should write plus here, not multiplication. So this is what logical error is. The cause of it will be our output will be inaccurate. That's it. So this is logical error. And now let's move on to exceptions. So exceptions, as the name suggests, is something which lets our program to terminate. It will crash our program. So let's just discuss one exception for that, the divide by zero exception. So let's just say that here, instead of a into b, we wanna say it divide by b, and let's just divide it by 10, 10 divided by 5. So when I will just run this program, here in the output we will get 2.0 and our program will run. But if I will replace this 5 with 0, and if I will again try to run this program, see, it will give us, it will throw us an exception, and that is zero division error. It is divide by zero exception, and our program won't run. And if I will write a piece of code here again, let's just say print hello. Here in the output again, this hello won't print, because the moment our program started running and our interpreter threw an exception that yes, you have mistaken here, our further program won't run and our whole program will crash. So this is what exception does, and handling exception is very important, because when you build a huge application or a website, and if a user enters an invalid input, and if you haven't just handled that exception, and if a website will throw an exception, your whole website will be crashed. So handling exception is very important in any programming language. So here in my next videos, I will explain how to handle some sort of exceptions. So check it out. And if you have any queries or questions, please post it in the comment. I will be ready to help you.